so cute.
Yeah. Two more times.
Đây, đi đâu?
No, go back. Yeah, that's it. Go that way. Yeah.
Oh!
That goes around.
Oh! Yeah, how do you do that? Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Good job.
What?
Now, go the other way.
Over, oh, okay.
Go around. Yeah. Yeah, go as far as you want. Okay, go.
So right across from the house, Canobie Lake Park. Yeah. Oh wait.
Oh, wrong way.
As Ethan loved doing this, and Brandon, no, he doesn't like it.
Oh, wrong way. Oh, I got it.
Very good. Dad, look at my baby Ethan and cousin Kyle. Look, a lot of geese. And that Ethan, 15 minutes after, he can paddle by himself. Dad, look at the lot of geese. Look at that geese. Oh, that's a lot of them. And the baby. They follow Ethan because Ethan have bread and they just fed him. Now they follow Ethan. Ethan on the green one. Wait. So this is the grow up one. And the baby behind here. That's the baby. Ethan, you want a fish?
Yeah. I'll go after it.
Yes.
Oh, God. Mama. Help me. Mama, help. It's scary. But I like to help it.
So cute. This is so many of you. That is 12 and the lonely over there 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 even. 5 babies. And the mother and the father. You see they have group right there. The 5 baby and the mother and the father. And one lonely over there. He's just like a commander or something.
Remember, there's a lot of goose over there. Hey, that's a goose. Is that right over here?
That's Brandon. That's all he can do.
Thank you.
So we like live in the city, and when they go to a place like this, they love it. They really enjoy it. Brandon, that's too many.
So big, they could stop trying to get to me.
Look at Ethan, far away, almost to the park, the Canobie Lake Park right there. The museum park, everyone right there.
Can you actually eat the stuff?
Yes. Yeah, put your hand out, whoa. Leave it like that.
No! Oh, God.
I'll show you them come over here, okay?
Look at Ethan. He love it. He doing so good. Oh my God, so cute.
Banana bag.
Want to come back here?
What? That's alright.
But you left the can over there.
Are you done?
Paddle up. Paddle up. Yeah, that's it.
You done?
Yeah, left, right, left, right. Yeah, that's it.
You put it a little deeper. Oh, by the way, don't do it too fast.
Give me more. Give me more.
Look at Ethan try to help Brandon. He tied the string together and he pulled Brandon. Oh, that is so cute. What, Rosie? What you say?
Actually, really cute together.
Look at that. Ethan tried to help him and he's just sit there. He's not gonna paddle. He's done. He just sit there. Ui, giờ ngồi đó luôn, tắt ngồi không à. Look at him. He didn't paddle. Oh crap, oh crap. Yeah, oh crap, oh crap. Look at that. He didn't even paddle. Ethan did the whole thing. He let Ethan paddle and he just sat there. Oh my goodness.
Can you have him closer to me? Yeah, yeah.
Ethan tried to teach Brendan how to paddle. Brendan, good job! Good job!
Bye, Brennan.
Very good!
Bye, Brennan. Bye, Daddy.
Awesome, Brendan! Awesome!